Your brain isn't broken. You broke it. By scrolling all day, by avoiding hard things, by saying I'll do it later over and over again. Now your brain is lazy, weak, and scared, and it's ruining your life. You keep saying I'm tired. No, you're just used to easy. Comfort has made you soft. You can't focus for 10 minutes without checking your phone. You call it a break. It's not, it's escape. Let's be real. Your brain now runs from anything uncomfortable. Studying, too boring. Working out, too hard. Dreams, too far. You've trained your mind to quit before it even starts. Want to know the truth? Most of your problems aren't mental health. They're bad habits in disguise. You feel stuck because you've practiced being stuck. So here's what to do. Stop waiting to feel ready. You won't. Do it tired. Do it scared. Do it without motivation. That's how you rebuild your brain. One hard thing at a time. One boring task at a time. One day of showing up when you don't feel like it. Your brain is either your tool or your trap. And right now it's trapping you. So ask yourself, will you keep letting it control you, or will you take it back before it's too late?